aXbo, the Sleepphase Alarmclock made in Austria, makes the best start to your day possible. Get out of bed refreshed and well rested. Good morning every day. Everybody goes through constantly changing phases while they sleep, from light sleep to deep sleep to dream sleep, also known as REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep. Each of these phases has specific physical movements attributed to it, and these movements are pivotal to the concept of aXbo. The difference in physical movement marks the difference in sleep phases and can therefore indicate the optimum moment to wake within 30 minutes of the time a person intends to wake up. A comfortable terry cloth wristband carries a small sensor that monitors physical movement. aXbo can be used by two people and can be set for different times. The scroll reel makes the setting of aXbo very easy and comfortable. aXbo includes 6 different wake-up sounds. By using the included USB cable, updates can be downloaded at www.aXbo.com.